Namaste. Welcome to Monday Bytes from CHITRACars. Like the channel, share it to your friends and relatives, subscribe the channel. Write your comments in the comment box and thanks for encouraging me to do more videos. Today we're talking about winter is come and everyone is worried how and what are measures to be taken in your winter for your car. Number one, make sure your fog lamps are cleaned and all the bulbs are checked perfectly and they are working right, and as well as your headlamps to be cleaned and all the filaments are working, high beam, low beam, everything has to be worked. Then later, after that, you need to check about your wipers. If your wipers are stiff and they are not cleaning properly, replace the wipers. One main thing which you should look at is that when you start the car in winter, make sure you do a cold start. What is cold start? Once you start the car, your car is started. Keep it in idle position for at least minimum of 1 or 2 minutes. The reason is, in winter, the engine oil get cold and it get compressed. And when you start and you keep the engine on idle position, the oil goes up and down with the pistons and it circulates through the engine. Slowly, it takes a lot of time for happening to the normal position. When you do a cold start, the engine will rave and slowly it gets into normal beating. That's the time you can put you can accelerate and put your gear and start. Cold start for winter season is a must. And when there is a fog in the mirror inside, please use AC or blower which comes outside and sees that the entire fog inside the car glass is clear. These are the measures and precautions to be taken while driving in winter. Happy driving, safe driving. Think of cars, think CHITRACars. Thank you.